Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Coffee Grinder. It's really great to grind your beans right before you brew your coffee to get the best tasting coffee possible. And this is a really compact machine. It's simple to use. There's a lid that's removable, and in the lid there's measure markings right here. You can see those. And this is actually the button that activates the coffee grinder when you put the lid on. Inside, you'll see that there's a stainless steel bowl and a blade, and that's what you use to grind your beans. So we're going to put a couple of beans in here, and the nice thing about this coffee grinder, even though it's nice and compact, it's actually can grind up to enough beans for a full pot of 12 servings of coffee. So we're just going to do that and put the lid on, and then we're going to grind away, and you can just watch. In the IB, we tell you how long to hold the button down to get the right coarseness of coffee that you prefer. It only takes a few seconds, and look how beautifully consistent that grind is. And you can use this coffee grinder for other things. You can also use it to grind up spices like peppercorns or even pieces of nutmeg. It's really good to use for other things too. So there you have it, the Cuisinart Coffee Grinder.